If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the position properties of a form field in Acrobat, open the form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. Then double-click the desired form field to open its Properties dialog box. To view the form field's position properties, click the Position tab within this dialog box. These settings appear for all types of form fields in Acrobat. To select the units of measurement for the positioning and sizing of the form field, select a choice from the Units dropdown. To specify the form field's position within the form, then enter values into the left, right, bottom, and top fields in the Position section of this tab. To specify the field's size, enter values into the width and height fields in this same section. To maintain the current size of the form field, if you enter values that reposition it within the form, check the Do Not Change Height and Width when changing the position checkbox. To close the dialog box when finished, click the Close button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.